How to check recently watched reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different icons. Go ahead and click on the option of Reel. With that you'll get access to your Reels. If you haven't first quit your Instagram account, you can easily get access to the recently watched Reels. All you have to do is swipe up in this way and you're going to find all the Reels that you have recently watched. So these are the Reels that I have been watching. But in the case you have first quit the Instagram app, you won't find this option. And at the moment within Instagram, there is no such option to check recently watched Reels. This is the only trick. Likewise, another thing you can do is head towards your profile page. Once you land to your profile page, at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of your activity. Now here you're going to find this section of interactions. Go ahead and click on the option of likes. By going through this page as well, you can find the recently watched Reels. Well, at the moment, this is the only way. I hope now you guys are clear about if you can check recently watched Reels on Instagram or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.